Good morning. Just wanted to come on and give you a quick update about the snagging issues that I was having with the boat. Aintree came out at the start of November to resolve all of the issues, but I've been really sick since then. I've had a chest infection and now I've got something wrong with my eye, so I haven't had a chance to come up to the boat or to do much filming. But yeah, Jamie and Dave from Aintree came out at the start of November, and I'm really happy to say that they resolved all of the outstanding issues that I had. So Dave put loads more ballast at the front of the boat, so it's sitting a bit better in the water. He's much happier with it now. I wasn't happy with how they had resealed the mushroom vents. Rather than just paint around the vents, they've repainted the whole roof, which is really good. They got rid of all of the pencil marks and they revarnished some of the surfaces. They redid the hinges again on the bathroom door, so they close a lot more easily now. They took a look at the weed hatch. I still needed to give it some leverage to get it off, but to be fair, it was a lot more easy this time than it has been in the past. So I think the more times I have to do it, the easier it should become. One thing that they couldn't help me with was the heater, but the man who supplied it to them, his name's Robert, and he's from a company up in Scotland called Boatcraft, and he has been amazing. He emailed me, he sent me the instruction manual, and he's been on the phone with me now and talked me through what settings to change on the heater. Basically it was a menu within a menu, and I had to change a sensor setting, which now has given me a thermostat on there so I can change the temperature up and down, and it's absolutely amazing and fantastic. So yeah, it was a really productive day. It was good to see the guys and have a catch up with them, and obviously everything else is still under warranty, so if I do get any more problems they'll come back again and sort those out for me. Oh, and another thing that I forgot to mention, the porthole bung saga continues. So last time they brought my porthole bungs that I'd waited about 13 weeks for, but they didn't bring enough. So when they came, they brought 2 more porthole bungs. They're the wrong colour, and one of them was covered in stains. At this point I just think it's funny. Obviously you saw in the last video that I have scratched the paintwork a little bit, so that needs to be fixed. Going around the boat though, I did notice that there were a lot more little paint chips that I hadn't noticed before, and I don't know what might have caused those. So it's a little bit annoying, but I couldn't touch those up. And there's a little bit here with the coach lines where the pink is coming through the cream paint. I don't have any cream paint to touch it up, so I'll have to try and get hold of some of that. I don't know if it's just me, I'm not a boat painter, but it looks to me as if the paint is not very thick in some of the places where it's chipped off. Another thing that needed doing was to touch up some of the blacking. Obviously that's got scratched where I've been out cruising. Oh, and another thing with the engine, I had the engine serviced. Everything seems to be fine. I haven't noticed any difference one way or the other. It's just ticking along like normal, so that's good. One new issue that I have noticed inside, which is quite annoying, is there is a lot of condensation. It definitely didn't help my chest infection. I'd been leaving one window open in the bathroom, but now I'm leaving more open to get more of an airflow around. I've put loads of those little dehumidifier crystal box things around the boat, and I've left my electric heater on a very low, like frost setting. Doing all of those things when I've come back this week seems to have worked. There was not a drop of condensation anyway, even on the windows, so I'm hoping that that is as bad as it's gonna get. But yeah, other than that I don't think there's any more issues or big maintenance things to do at the moment. Hopefully everything will just stay tickety-boo with the boat and I can concentrate on getting everything ready for Christmas. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again very, very soon.